put on a decent show for you guys up here with the dinner and the beer and the whole 9 yards. And if there's anything we can do to help make this racing experience better for you, we do want to hear it.
Hey, who's gonna be back? Who's gonna be back? Yeah. Yeah.
Can I say one thing?
Oh no.
Stop right there. There you go.
Sportsman's Club and Grubbin Club is Sportsman Grass Car Racing. The track where the racers rule.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
Can I give this guy an attaboy right here? Oh,
Yeah, Merle.
He is so trick. He's way better than me. That pisses me off. You're good.
Good job. Good job, Merle.
You're good. You're good. Hey, Jerry, you feel sorry a little more closer than you.